Basically, EIB offers a very wide range of financial products. And that wide range of financial products is further enhanced by the Juncker Plan. What does Juncker Plan mean? It means that companies who have problems accessing finance, either equity, either debt, either subordinated loans, have a bigger and better opportunity to get those funds through the Juncker Plan. It means that EIB will provide financing at a higher risk, or will provide financing to companies who have a higher risk profile. And we do that in different areas. As I said before, through our fund you can have equity. Through our intermediary funds you can have microfinance, you can have angel funding. Banks struggling to provide money to SMEs can get risk set off through securitizations or through counter guarantees. But also companies struggling to get money directly from banks can approach EIB or its partner Banca to get direct loans for very particular circumstances where the risk is very high or the growth is very quickly, which puts a strain on the balance sheet of the company.